2016 Ford Mustang. We did the shock sensor add-on. How you doing, guys? Thank you for watching the channel. This got a shock sensor upgrade because they left the rims. They left his car in 4 blocks, took his rims and tires, so we added the shock sensor to the factory alarm. That way he doesn't have to carry an extra remote control or anything. Also protects the windows. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the tire. That will start the countdown, because this car has like a little delay. It'll start like a little countdown, and then it'll fire off right now. With a few seconds, it'll start honking the horn. Armed it again. It also takes care of the windows. If anybody busts out the windows, it will fire off. Because what happens is this car from factory, the only way the alarm goes off is somebody opens the door. So to steal rims and tires, you don't need to open a door. And if somebody wanted to get in anyway, they can just break the window and jump in without opening any of the doors. So by adding the shock sensor, the end result will be the same as if I would have installed an aftermarket alarm system. And what we're trying to prevent is that you don't have to carry another fob around. Not to mention it would be cheaper this way to do it too. And so I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window, and once it fires off, I'll complete the video. Start the countdown again. It'll set off in a second. Grabbed the wrong remote control. Grabbed it from another vehicle. Yeah, they both look almost the same. I was trying to wonder why the alarm wouldn't shut off. Yeah, so yeah, that's basically it. And then the remote start. If you press this twice, yeah, that's the factor. Just showing you that the remote start still works after adding the shock sensor to the vehicle. This shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.